Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Skoda Kamiq SEL. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 49 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 6,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Titan blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, they've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in great condition. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, Bluetooth for your phone, Apple Carplay and satellite navigation. A few other features I can mention. The car also has the climate control there in the centre, cruise control on the left-hand indicator stalk, the virtual cockpit, and then automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. For a small SUV, the Kamiq has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've got some extra storage and also your tire inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.